welcome to the SWIT show. We're glad you were following on our series on studying smart. In the last episode, we talked about studying smart and attending lectures. The former one before the last is talk about studying smart and knowing yourself. Today, we're going to be talking about studying smart and also knowing your lecturers. So basically, like knowing your lecturers. Yeah, just know your lecturers. I'm not just talking about knowing your lecturers by name. What is the name of this lecturer? I know it's office. I know it's office. I remind me of some.
Or you have key to his office.
Exactly. It's not that about. Or you help me to carry book after lecture.
Or we do something we call farming.
It's not about farming. From everything. No, not that. Talking about knowing your lecturers as to what they demand of you at the end of everything, what they taught you during your test or during your examination, because it's very crucial. So lecturers are different, and what this person, it may be the same course, but you have different lecturers. What this person demands from you is different from what the other person demands. So you have to know. And how do you know this? That's what we'll talk about.
Attending lectures.
It's from the lecture you will know that this is what the lecturer wants.
Yes,
this is how he wants it, and this is the way I must do it. So let's start over to you want to know how knowing your lecturer is going to help you in studying.
Okay, just like you said, that knowing your lecturer is not about maybe helping them to carry their books, knowing their names, their office. No, it's more than that. We are telling you that knowing your lecturer in the sense that we've discussed about it already during the course of the introduction. Knowing your lecturer entails that you know what they require of you, what they demand of you. Maybe during tests, during exam, you know how to write those things down. There are some lecturers that will tell you that give me straight to the point.
No
story at all, just straight to the point. There are some ones that say that story I want to see.
You must
to attach more sheets.
Yes.
So if you don't
impress them,
if you don't attend lectures, so how are you going to know those lecturers? So knowing your lecturers tells that you know what they demand of you during exam or test. That is how you can that is why you can study smart. When you know your lecturers and you are studying smart, you will have good grades in your exams. That's just what I have to say about
you. What do you have to say about knowing your lecturer? Okay, as you said earlier, you must attend lectures before you know your lecturers, because during exam, most times students tend to fail because they go out of point. Because when you're not in class, you don't even know what the lecturer wants. Some lecturer might give point of concentration that study this part, but you just depend. I have past question, I have this one, I have that one. I'm intelligent and I can do that on my own. You don't attend lecture. You just say that this lecturer is too dull. He is not intelligent as I am. So during this, you're not in his class to know.
I beg spirit.
Yes.
I beg.
I beg Joe. I beg Joe. I'm not going for that class, Joe. I know that thing is not just chemistry.
It's not just lecturer. He's always joking.
Even if he jokes with half of his hour, just know that there will be one thing for you to grab on that day that this one is going to come out, and that one will still when you're preparing for exam, just remember, this lecturer said this one is coming out. You will remember, and if you don't understand it, there's students that after the class you'll be running after who explained this one to me. You meet your classmates, you meet everyone, but when you're not in class, there's no point of concentration, because you don't even know what is going on. You are lost in the crowd.
Yes,
you don't know the requirements. So it will help you during the exam. And when you know your lecturers, you tend to be there. Knowing your lecturers also means you have to love them and their course.
Yes, that's very crucial.
Once you hate a lecturer, you can't even know them, because once they're in class, your mind will be far away. Maybe they're in class, you'll be taking Snapchat. This lecturer, get out of this class, Joe. Sometimes you just think this man safe. What's up you now? Do and leave this class for us. We can see that it's not those things are not knowing our lecturers. When you know your lecturer, there's things that you have A grades. Those lecturers don't even need to know you. Your grades will introduce you to lecturers. That's when you know your lecturer.
You don't need to do farming in quote your lecturers. Your lecturers will be the ones to
do farming for you when your grade is smiling and they check for that.
They will come.
They will come.
They want to know you.
But if people that are now running after lecture, they are the ones that will even fail, because the students that over familiarity will not even make them get what lecturer is saying. You have to know your lecturer. Know what they will demand from you. Are they the type of back to the center lecturer,
But so that means copy and
Copy and paste.
What
And
they
they
give
give
you,
you.
just give it to them. Some
Bam.
lecturer they will tell you research more
Yes.
and attach more shit.
shit.
Lecturer will tell you, if I tell you explain, list first before explaining.
Explaining, yes.
Because some person you don't know that the lecturer, some lecturers they say, explain. If you like,
Explain.
list and explain.
Some
together.
lecturer will tell you list
first.
no. They will
not
say
say
explain. They will
explain.
say list.
But
Enumerate
you
this one.
explain it in details.
No, they will just they will tell you enumerate this one. You know, like it's not list.
You don't know that they are asking you to explain it in detail. You can even write a full note for them to make them happy.
Yes.
And okay, another thing is that ask your senior colleagues questions
Yeah.
about
About
a
the
particular lecture, about the math that's
Yes.
I remembered one statement that my senior colleague told us that there's one lecturer, my lecturer, his first class, he awards marks to students that
Can you
are present
imagine?
in that first class. The last class, he awards a mark to students that are present in that class. So if you don't know that this is the kind of man he is, you can say, okay, this first class, I beg, it's not important. Your first class is just introduction. Why do I need to go for,
They will just
for the
give us
first class?
first
They will just
outline,
give us
that's
first
all.
outline and introduction. You don't know that there's mark waiting for you. And the
Mhm.
last class, I beg, we
Now
don't finish on
revision,
our
Joe.
revision.
It's not
It's the
exam.
revision we want to do
Revision,
now.
we can't like waste my
And
time.
there's
Our time
mark
is like
waiting
reset.
for you. So if you don't attend, if you don't know that kind of lecture, that this is what
What
it
your
demands,
months.
how will you know? You will not. You say, okay, first class, last class is not. To
not
students, to
important.
some
Yes,
students, it's not
yes.
important.
Hmm.
So you have to know your lecturer.
Yes. So the SWIT is telling you today that one of the keys to study smart is to know your lecturer. Know your lecturer. It's not just enough for you to attend class and be absent and attend and be very active. Don't be passive. Active does not mean you answer a question only.
No,
Means
no.
you
Asking
listen.
questions. It's not about raising up in
No.
class and say, sir, can you explain this or trying to
Or trying to tell them,
truth to be told.
truth to be told, sir, you've not explained
not
this
explain
thing.
this thing. No. That's only your
And
lecturer.
so the SWIT is telling you that for you to study smart, know
Know
your
your
lecturer.
lecturer.